Whether it's for automotive repair, product construction, heavy equipment maintenance, or construction projects, an impact wrench can help you finish the task in no time, even with the most demanding applications. If you're looking for an extremely useful tool to add to your arsenal, you're on the right channel. In this video, we'll share our review of the best impact wrenches on the market to help you and our viewers decide which one is worth investing in. All of the products we've included in our list are compact yet powerful enough to tackle any project you come across. So if you're ready to see our list, please subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon for more reviews. Now let's begin. Topping the list of the best impact wrenches in the market is the Ryobi Impact Wrench Kit. This amazing impact wrench is cordless, so you can use it anywhere and anytime without a hassle. It uses a 4.0 amp lithium-ion battery that can help you get through the task without running out of power. What's more is with this superb impact wrench, it's also compatible with any of the 18-volt 1+ batteries. It comes with a tri-LED light that increases the work area visibility. As far as performance, the Ryobi Impact Wrench produces 300 pounds per foot of torque and up to 3,200 impacts per minute, allowing you to use this tool for a variety of heavy-duty applications such as removing stuck lugs, removing crankshaft bolts, and others. Its durable design is perfect for tightening and loosening various nuts and bolts. And for greater control over a wide range of fastening applications, Ryobi has also equipped this tool with a 3-speed selector switch. There's a 1/2-inch square anvil with detent pin retention, as well as a easy-to-use secure socket connection. Ryobi also boasts the new and improved Grip Zone Overmold that provides an excellent grip and added comfort while working. The impact wrench also has indicator lights that show the status of the batteries when charging. No more guessing if it's fully charged already. The Ryobi impact wrench is guaranteed to be heavy-duty and efficient. You'll surely get the worth of your money with this powerful tool. At number 2 on our list is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Wrench with Friction Ring Kit. This powerful impact wrench is designed to tackle the most demanding work applications in the world. It has a power state brushless motor that's designed and built to work harder and last longer compared to other kinds of motors. You can confidently work long hours until you finish your task. The M18 impact wrench delivers up to 1,000 foot-per-pound of fastening torque and 1,400 foot-per-pound of nut-busting torque. It offers maximum productivity by effectively removing stubborn and high-torque fasteners up to 2 times faster than the other impact wrenches out on the market. It's ideal for professional tradesmen because they offer more application speed, torque, and durability in a much more compact size. Another unique feature of this product is the RedLink Plus Intelligence feature that integrates full circle communications between the tool, battery, and charger. It prevents damage due to overloading and overheating. This technology is a refined system of cordless power tool electronics that is only in this product. It's the type of utility every power tool craves. Another feature of this product is its red lithium-ion battery pack, which enables this cordless power tool to maximize its performance and deliver more runtime. It also has a friction ring design that ensures quick and easy socket changes. The premium rubber overmold of this impact wrench withstands corrosive materials and provides comfort when in use. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Wrench with Friction Ring is incredibly lightweight, easy to use, and heavy duty. It's designed to deliver superior productivity that's best for any workshop or job site applications. Are you enjoying our list so far? We still have 3 more impact wrenches to unveil, so stay tuned to this video as one of these powerful tools might be what you need. Let us know in the comment box if you have any other tools that you'd like us to review. We'll do our best to grant your request, so please make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so we can update you. And now, back to our list. At number 3 is one of the best contenders for the best brushless wrench, the DeWalt 20V Max XR lithium-ion brushless high torque half-inch impact wrench with detent pin anvil, battery, 4-amp charger, and tool bag. This heavy-duty DeWalt impact wrench is ideal for most fastening applications. It comes equipped with a brushless motor that's designed to provide superior runtime, performance, and durability. It's a heavy-duty impact device with a maximum torque of 700 foot-per-pound and max breakaway torque of 1,200 feet-per-pound, specially constructed to tackle the most demanding work applications with ease. This tool also features a multi-speed control perfect for a variety of applications that require specific torque per drive control. It also has an LED work light with a 20-second delay that increases visibility when working in dimly lit spaces. Even though this tool is lightweight, it can definitely handle 6 to 8 foot drops, plus it's resistant to chemicals, grease, and other cleaners. As a bonus, there's batteries, a charger, and a tool bag included when you purchase this item. You can start your project right away. Best of all is that DeWalt backs this 20V Max XR with a 3-year limited warranty. If you're smart enough to invest in one of the best brushless wrenches, you can never go wrong in choosing the DeWalt 20V Max XR. It's one of the most highly recommended products in the market, and considering that DeWalt is a name to be proven for performance, it's definitely one to check out because it'll focus on innovation and technology. At number 4 on our list is the Ridgid 18V lithium-ion cordless brushless 4-mode compact impact wrench kit with 4-amp battery and 18V charger. This brushless wrench from Ridgid is ideal for any homeowners or professionals who want to pack a little more power into their torque-based toolset. It has 4 modes, including a unique auto mode that provides adjustable power and speed for the most demanding jobs and precision work. Its unparalleled performance outshines other brands, making it a must-have in workshops and job sites. This compact but powerful, lightweight cordless tool delivers 450 feet-per-pound of torque to power through even the toughest applications. It comes loaded with features like the exclusive grip light technology that engages the LED light independently to illuminate your workspace, an innovative hex grip for maximum comfort, and a die-cast gearbox for increased durability and professional quality. Ridgid's brushless motors offer up to 50% more runtime and longer motor life, and are backed by the industry's only lifetime service agreement. This amazing product also includes a 4-amp battery, 18V charger, a belt clip, and an operator's manual, as well as a bright orange case to keep everything tucked together. We're now ready to unveil the last product on our list. Before we continue, please make sure to click the links in the description box if any of these wrenches we reviewed matches your needs. We do all kinds of videos for all sorts of different products, so if you need the best and most unbiased buying guide to help you select the right product, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. We post new videos every day, so you'll never run out of something to watch. Are you ready to see the 5th best impact wrench? Well then, let's continue with our list. Our last product at number 5 is the Makita 18V LXT lithium-ion compact brushless cordless half-inch 3-speed impact wrench kit. The Makita LXT is a perfect investment for anyone who needs to do some heavy-duty work. The device is powered by a robust brushless motor that allows it to work harder than other competitive models while maintaining cooler core temperatures. What's great about this brushless motor is it delivers longer runtime, increased power and speed, as well as longer life. The motor also proves to be energy efficient and can improve battery runtime up to 50%. Makita's 18-volt brushless impact wrench also has 3 speeds with reverse rotation auto stop mode that stops the rotation in 2 seconds when the fastener was adequately loosened. The unique feature is ideal for automotive, installation, and fabrication trades. As for the performance, this powerful cordless wrench can produce up to 740 foot-per-pound of maximum torque and up to 11,800 foot-per-pound of breakaway torque. It's more than capable of handling any challenge you can think to throw at it, and it's no wonder why it's hailed as one of the best tools on the market today. Its compact battery with a fast charge time of only 25 minutes lets you spend more time working rather than waiting for the battery to charge. This tool also has a built-in LED light with an independent on-off switch that illuminates the work area. It weighs only 3.2 pounds with the battery, so you don't have to worry about fatigue. And to seal the deal, Makita offers a 3-year limited warranty on tool, battery, and charger. And there you have it, the top-rated and best-selling impact wrenches on the market today. We hope our video helped you decide which impact wrench is the best for your assembling and disassembling projects. These tools make removing lug nuts quick and easy, so if you want to invest in something that'll make you more productive, don't miss the impact wrenches on our list. You can have one of them by clicking the link in the description box. Please let us know if there's another hand tool you'd like us to do a review on by writing your suggestions in the comment box. We'll feature your request in one of our next videos, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated all the time. That's it for today. Thank you for watching here at the ReviewTube channel.